Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be trying different types of Kit Kats from Japan. So we are only going to be trying these two today, even though there's hundreds of others that we can try in the future. So first we're going to start off with the American Kit Kat that look like here in America.
Yeah. No, I want the other part.
Pretty good.
What's next? Want to try the black one?
Mm-hmm.
We don't know what this one is. It looks like dark chocolate.
That's good.
What, out of a 1 to 10, what would you give it?
A 7.
A 7. And what would you give a normal Kit Kat?
A 9.
A 9. Okay.
It's not my favorite. It's still pretty good.
Okay. Now the last one is called Summer Mango.
Oh, it looks white.
Oh.
Mm.
Okay, let's see. Yeah.
Mm. Ew, ew. I give it a 0 out of 10. Ew. That's gross.
All right. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn it off.